What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Overwatch Weekender Tail Bag, a low profile removable luggage which is great for those long weekend rides. Constructed from 1680 denier UV stable polyurethane coated water resistant polyester with water resistant zippers, the sissy bar mounted tail bag is a great all-weather option when you want to add extra carrying capacity to your motorcycle. The side and top zipper openings offer multiple ways to pack and access your gear, while zippered pockets on each side offer easy access storage for smaller items. Its buckled top flap provides an easy and secure spot to clip on an extra jacket or a blanket. The high-vis grey interior makes bag contents visible even in low light. This tail bag has a carrying capacity of approximately 30 litres and includes a carrying handle as well as padded rider support for added functionality. The Overwatch Weekender tail bag is available for a range of Harley-Davidson models, so check the website to make sure it fits your motorcycle. For more information, head to harleydavidson.com or check with your local authorised Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favourite Australian. I'll see you again next time.